I'm with my good friend Mary Tacone, who is a stager in Oahu in the Waikele Country Club area. And I actually have hired Mary to help me with this rental home that Jim and I have. We have rented the home for a year, and as lovely as it is, and the location as you can see, and it's got a nice kitchen and dining room, I just don't feel like it's ours. And so I've asked Mary to come and talk to me and help me do a makeover of a before and after of our rental home as I have family coming in. So Mary, thanks so much for joining us.
You're welcome.
What were your thoughts when you came into this home and what you felt that you could possibly do? Because I was at a loss at it. I didn't know what to do. It just felt very vanilla to me.
Well, I mean, it's got a lot of potential. I mean, you really don't need that much. Just some sprucing up.
Really?
Yeah, just some warmth, some color, some texture, pillows, throw pillows. We're not doing a whole lot because this is a rental, so
Yes.
we can't change the color of the walls. We can't change the window treatments. So
Right.
just with accent pieces and bedding, table settings, I think it'll spruce it up a lot.
So with a budget that we've talked about,
Right.
you think you can make this place look a little bit nicer
Absolutely.
and spruced up for my family that's coming in next week?
Absolutely.
Well, let's go, fabulous. Let's go through the house and you can kind of show me the areas that you're going to work on and what you're going to do. And then we'll do it before and after when you have the home set up next week.
Perfect.
Okay. All right, so why don't we start out in the patio? So this is Waikele Country Club. This is the Edge Townhome. So what are your thoughts, Mary, about what you could do in this area?
Well, I think we're just gonna put some more chairs here,
Okay,
make a little conversation area.
Okay.
Some pillows, perhaps another table, some lanterns.
right, because I want to entertain out here, and I
Right.
just haven't felt like it was set up to entertain.
Right, we can do that.
Okay. And
So-
Dylan would like to entertain. Yes, Dylan, we got people coming. We got big people coming next week, and it's got a really nice view. So okay, so we're gonna set this up for more of an entertaining space.
Yeah.
So let's go inside. And your thoughts for down here in, this kind of a monster of a dining room.
Well, that's a great table, first.
Uh-huh.
So just getting the right pieces on that, clearing it off, getting the right pieces on there, I
Okay.
think is just gonna make it pop.
Great.
Right, so that's taken care of. I've got everything for that. We're gonna do that today.
Okay. And so we've got anything else down here?
Well, the sofa.
Okay.
Okay, that needs some work.
It does. It's not even comfortable, to be honest with you.
Well, we're gonna get some nice throw pillows for some color and some pop. And I'm gonna get a area rug
Okay.
in front of there and a nice coffee table with a nice piece on it.
Awesome. That'll be great because this is where we spend all our time. Okay, perfect. So let's go down to the first bedroom. Now, this is the bedroom that guests come and stay in, and I did not turn the lights on, but that's okay. This is our first bedroom down here. I mean, the beds are all nice, and each room has its own television, so we're really okay with that. So what are your thoughts on doing the bedding and making this just look a little more Hawaii?
Well, you've got a nice bed frame and a nice headboard already, so it's really not going to take that much just to get some nice bedding on there with some pillows.
Okay.
I mean,
Perfect.
yeah, that's
So
all
let's
you need.
go upstairs to the big room, our master bedroom. This one I've really struggled with as the bed is fine. All this carpet is going to be replaced too this weekend, which is nice. So the master has got such beautiful views, but there have been no chairs up here, nothing. It's got a great walk-in closet. The view is fabulous, but I mean, this is how we live. As embarrassing it is, this is how Jim and I live.
Well, it's a great view, you're right. And this bedroom has a lot of potential because you've got a lot of light coming in.
Uh-huh.
And changing the bedding again, you've already got a great headboard.
Okay.
And something perhaps on the wall, maybe some plants.
Yes.
I mean, you got a good base to start with, and then this fabulous view.
Right.
And this balcony.
Okay, so when we do the after, we'll show what you have done on the balcony, and you can see it's just rental sheets. And then you're also going to work on our other bedroom upstairs that we have for guests right here. So it's got a beautiful bed, but it just, once again, lacks. It looks like a vacation. It just looks like a rental.
Yep. Again, we can fix that with bedding, pillows,
All right.
everything.
So from Mary to Cone, this is the before. And as soon as she gets it all staged and done, we'll do a video of after and show you the magic that Mary produces.
Can't wait.
Thanks.